3, 2, 1, go! Welcome everybody to a very special unboxing. Today I bring to you the brand new 500 million limited edition PlayStation 4 Pro. This is to celebrate the success of Sony selling 500 million PlayStation consoles worldwide. A frankly phenomenal achievement which started all the way back on December the 3rd, 1994 with the very first PlayStation 1 being sold in Japan. This limited edition PS4 Pro is something very special in the gaming and tech industry and will only be available in very limited quantities around the world. So, with that being said, let's get started with the unboxing of the new limited edition PS4 Pro. Right, Sony have given this PS4 Pro a stylish dark blue translucent design, which means it's see-through basically. This theme is found on the box and on the PS4 Pro itself. This will arguably be the coolest design we'll ever get for the PlayStation 4 series. I mean, who doesn't want a limited edition blue translucent PS4 Pro? This special edition bundle includes the first 2 terabyte hard drive for a Sony console, Dualshock 4 wireless controller included with a mono headset, PlayStation camera, and a vertical stand. Right, time to get under the hood and see the beast in the flesh. Ooh, here we go. Now that's what I call premium brand quality. The PS4 Pro is tucked in and wrapped up inside that gorgeous blue packaging. So before we get to the main event, I'll pull out 2 of the main accessories of the limited edition PS4 Pro. Number 1, the 500 million limited edition DualShock 4 controller. And number 2, the PS4 Pro camera. Now I'll do a proper close-up view in just a few moments so you can see all the detail. Moving on, in the top right hand side, in this cartridge we have our Sony warranty information, guarantee, and PS4 Pro quick start guide booklet. Underneath that cartridge we'll find all of our connectivity contents, i.e. the 2.0 HDMI connector, power adapter plug, both 3-pin and 2-pin surprisingly, and USB charging cable for the DualShock 4 controller. And underneath that tray we have our vertical stand kit, which we'll check out properly after we check out the main star of the show, of course. Right, let's go. Time to check out the 500 million limited edition PS4 Pro. Well, firstly, just picking it up, it's quite heavy in comparison to my original PS4. Right, just gonna move it out here and clear some space for a second, bear with me. Okay, that's more like it. Now, we've got these 2 big holders keeping the PS4 Pro firmly packed inside, so let me just get them off. Perfect. Okay, here we go. Nice and gentle. This is some seriously high-end piece of hardware right here. Oh, wow. Let's all just pause for a second. Let me just clarify one thing so we're all on the same page. This PS4 Pro looks really good. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Sort the lighting out. I want to see the PS4 Pro properly, you amateur. Got it. 1 second, and I'll be back with a few adjustments. How's that for professionalism? Hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. Now, if I thought it looked good with the plastic seal on, well, now we're on a whole different level. This limited edition PS4 Pro is an absolute beast. That's what it is. What a specimen of design and good looks. Sony, I applaud you for your efforts. This is a stunning piece of kit you've made. Now, as a special surprise, Sony have only created 50,000 of these consoles. On each of these PS4 Pros, there's a commemorative copper plate etched with the system's limited edition number on the front glass panel. Now, if anybody can correctly guess which model number mine is, I'll do a giveaway to the winner who can guess it correctly. And if anybody actually gets it, I'll be dual shocked. Good luck. Right, as I mentioned, let's take a good look at the new accessories in a bit more detail, shall we? Starting off with our limited edition DualShock 4 controller. So, this DualShock 4 also boasts the blue translucent shell design and in my opinion looks terrific and complements our PS4 Pro perfectly. If you're coming over to play FIFA 19, nobody touches this apart from player 1, which is me. In all seriousness, this has to go down as the slickest controller in Sony's history. The gold emblem on the PS home button demonstrates the type of quality we're getting here. The good news is, if you didn't even get your hands on the limited edition PS4 Pro, you can still buy this controller separately. In terms of build quality and feel, it's textbook Sony Dualshock 4. Nothing new in terms of ergonomics, as we're getting the same controller, just with much more detailed aesthetics and obviously the unique limited edition design all round. It's awesome. And included is our USB charging cable for the controller here, but it's only in black, not the limited edition blue that I'm getting accustomed to. Moving on, here is the PS4 Pro's limited edition PlayStation camera and the holder, which is following the blue colour theme, and it's a great addition that Sony decided to throw in for its customers. For me, it's not something that I've used for my gaming experiences, as I'm an old school 90s classic PS gamer. Just give me the controller, put Tekken 3 on, let's get a tournament going and order some pizza. I mean, who needs microtransactions, DLC content or cameras? Just pick up the controller and let's go. Next up, remember those mono headsets that we got with our PlayStation 4s, which we've probably lost by now? Well, we've got them again, but check it out. They also come in the fantastic translucent blue theme as well. Pretty cool, and maybe this time we'll keep them safe. If only Sony decided to create a stereo headset tuned by Dolby instead of these mono headsets. Still pretty nice though, no complaints. And there's our HDMI 2.0 wire, which supports native 4K gaming on the PS4 Pro. Cue the gaming videos and gaming comparison tests. And here's our power plug with a 3-pin connector socket for UK users like myself. Plus Sony have supplied a 2-pin cable as well, may come in handy one day. And as you guys saw, a few pieces of paperwork which is mandatory, like the safety guide, the guarantee booklet, and our quick start guide. The quick start guide actually looks kind of interesting, might want to check it out. And finally, here is our vertical stand for the PS4 Pro. Now if you're like me, you'll prefer to keep your console flat like I have here, but to Sony's credit, it's a nice addition to complete the all-round sublime unboxing experience, especially as it comes in the limited edition translucent blue colour theme as well. So overall guys, Sony have created a collector's item dream with this 500 million limited edition PS4 Pro, and here you can see the underneath. The mechanisms are clearly visible, and I can't wait to see how this thing looks when it's powered on and lit up. So going back to what I said earlier, which one of you watching can guess which model number my limited edition PS4 Pro is? I'll ship mine off guaranteed to anybody who can guess correctly, so drop your comments below. I don't think anybody will get it, but I genuinely can't wait to read some of the comments now. It should be good. The competition is on until the end of the year, so good luck. So my final thoughts. I'll conclude with saying, Sony, you've created a monster. And speaking of monsters, Sony's Venom is coming out, so I'll be checking that out too. A movie review too, possibly for any of you Marvel fans. Oh, and how about some 4K HDR Marvel Spider-Man gameplay, now that I've got the PS4 Pro on my channel too. Maybe gaming graphics comparison videos? 4K PC gaming versus 4K PS4 Pro gaming test too perhaps? Yeah, I'm taking the channel to a whole new level in terms of content, so I hope you're ready for it. It's gonna be pretty damn good, and I'll see you on the other side. But for now, I leave you guys with my final statement. It's game on. Sony, I salute you. For the players. Smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and as always guys, hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload, and I'll catch you guys all on the next one.